We are pleased to show you the 2018 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.